In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo an action on ClickUp. If you've ever made a change in ClickUp and immediately wanted to take it back, the good news is that undoing an action is usually quick and simple. This can be helpful if you accidentally edited a task, changed something in a doc, adjusted a whiteboard, or made another update you didn't mean to keep. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to reverse that action and confirm that everything is back the way it was before. To begin, make a change to any item in ClickUp. This could be something like editing a task, updating a doc, moving something on a whiteboard, or modifying another item in your workspace. The exact type of change doesn't matter here. What matters is that you've completed an action that you now want to undo. This helps you test the process in a real situation so you can see how ClickUp responds. Once the action has been completed, use the undo shortcut on your keyboard. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and Z at the same time. If you're using a Mac, press Command and Z. This is the fastest method, and it works in many common editing situations across ClickUp. If the action is supported, ClickUp should immediately reverse the last change you made. In some cases, you may also see an undo notification appear on the screen right after making a change. If that message pops up, click undo before it disappears. This is especially useful if you prefer using your mouse instead of keyboard shortcuts, or if you want a quick visual way to reverse the action. Since the notification only stays visible for a short time, it's best to respond to it right away. After that, take a moment to check the result. Look at the task, doc, whiteboard, or other item you changed and confirm that the previous action has been reversed. For example, if you edited text, make sure the original version is back. If you moved or changed something else, verify that it has returned to its earlier state. This final check is important because it helps you confirm that the undo worked exactly as expected. That's all there is to it. Undoing an action in ClickUp is a simple but very useful feature that can save time and help prevent mistakes from becoming permanent. If you're making frequent edits, knowing both the keyboard shortcut and the on-screen undo option can make your workflow much smoother. Thanks for watching.